lasting.
Hi guys, good morning. We're going to White
Even
Island.
though we're kinda nervous.
The coral reef ecosystem, wherein the abiotic component is the water, while the biotic component are the fish. The coral reef ecosystem can be preserved by not taking and breaking corals underwater. And by putting artificial corals underwater will surely improve the ecosystem underwater. If the coral reef ecosystem was preserved, then there would be more or enough oxygen underwater, and there would be more fishes living in which the people will be benefited. With that, there would be a symbiotic environment underwater wherein the corals will last longer. It produces more oxygen. It becomes a shelter for the fishes and other living organisms where they can reproduce, which become beneficial for the people because they can get fishes and gain profit from it, as well as the people can eat fishes, their physical and health needs. Therefore, it is very necessary to preserve the coral reef ecosystem so that we will have a balanced environment in underwater, wherein the biotic and abiotic components of the ecosystem are all benefited and living or existing together with harmony. Ways in protecting and conserving ecosystem. So first, planting mangrove. So planting more mangroves can help the coral reef. Next, conduct of coastal cleanup drive. Don't leave your garbage anywhere. Put it in the proper way. Put your garbage in the proper way. So garbage can pollute the water and it can harm coral reefs. So we must throw our garbage in the proper way. So next, use a reusable bag because it can help out the community. Also the coral reef, because some plastic bags get stuck to the coral reef. Plastic can be harmful to our marine ecosystem, but also it can kill to our animals. Use reusable bags. Helping organizations dedicated in protecting and conserving natural resources. Conduct of fund drive for cleaning the underwater and protecting the coral reef.